don't use this VPN application here like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Here is pretty much the old screen of the VPN application. Down here we see United Kingdom. Pretty much tap on that option there. Pretty much see all the servers that they have available. Do have South Korea servers which you can use, 2 free ones. You can tap on the pro servers option here to see all the pro servers, and also you can tap on the all free option here to see all the free servers. So if you want to connect to the South Korea server, you can tap on any one of these. Once you have tapped on the server that you want to connect to, you just tap on the connection button here. We'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. So you're gonna need to add time if you don't have any pro subscription. Pretty much you have to watch an ad to add a more connection time. So do keep that in mind. As well, if you want to remove the timer option or remove the timer option, pretty much have to tap on the GoPro here to get the pro subscription. As you can see here, the prices for your subscription, and they do offer a 7 days pro subscription, which you can try for 7 days free trial, which you can try the pro subscription for completely free, and then you start paying the monthly. So that's pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. We'll see you in the next one.